In the mist-shrouded highlands of Ethiopia, amidst towering junipers and ancient moorlands, lives a creature so elusive it was unknown to science until the dawn of the 21st century. This is the story of the Bale Mountains Tree Frog, a tiny amphibian with a mighty tale of survival. The Bale Mountains Tree Frog, scientifically known as Aphrixalus enseticola, is a unique species of frog endemic to the Bale Mountains National Park in Ethiopia. Here's a detailed overview of this fascinating amphibian. Taxonomy and classification. Scientific name, Aphrixalus enseticola. Family, Hyperliidae. Common names, Bale Mountains Tree Frog. Chapter 1. A hidden world in the clouds, setting Bale Mountains National Park, southeastern Ethiopia. Elevation, 2,800 to 3,400 meters above sea level. Nestled in the heart of the Ethiopian highlands, the Bale Mountains are a biodiversity hotspot home to endemic wolves, giant mole rats, and a peculiar species of frog. Here, cloud forests drip with dew, and bamboo thickets sway in the cool mountain breeze. The Bale Mountains tree frog, Bale hillmani, lives in this hidden world, specifically in moist, high-altitude grasslands and forest edges. It is a relic of a bygone era, a living fossil that has adapted to a very narrow ecological niche. Bale Mountains tree frogs are primarily found in montane grasslands and high-altitude wetlands. Their habitats typically consist of echoing streams and marshy areas. Vegetation surrounding these water bodies provides shelter and breeding sites. Specific altitudinal ranges within the Bale Mountains are critical for their survival. Physical characteristics. The Bale Mountains tree frog is relatively small. Their size can range from about 2.5 to 5 centimeters in length. They exhibit a variety of colors, often including shades of green, yellow, and brown, which serve as camouflage against the vegetation in their habitat. Skin texture. Their skin is smooth and can show variations in pattern and tone, which is crucial for their survival. Their diet primarily consists of various insects and small invertebrates. The breeding season coincides with the rainy season, which provides ample water for laying eggs. Females lay their eggs in vegetation near water bodies. Males are known for their distinctive calls, which they use to attract females during the mating season. The Bale Mountains tree frog faces several threats due to habitat loss, deforestation, and agricultural expansion in the Bale Mountains region. Climate change also plays a significant role, as alterations in weather patterns can affect their breeding cycles and habitats. Additionally, pollution, especially the contamination of water sources, can severely impact their survival. Efforts to conserve the Bale Mountains tree frog include protection of their natural habitat within Bale Mountains National Park. Research programs are in place to monitor their populations and health. Additionally, community awareness initiatives promote the importance of biodiversity and conservation in the region. The importance of the Bale Mountains tree frog cannot be overstated. As both predator and prey, these frogs play a crucial role in their ecosystem, contributing to the balance of insect populations. Furthermore, the species is a key indicator of environmental health in its habitat, as amphibians are sensitive to changes in their environment. The cultural significance of the Bale Mountains tree frog is also quite fascinating. In regions where this frog is found, local communities may incorporate it into their cultural stories and folklore, highlighting its unique traits and behaviors. This often enhances the understanding of the importance of local wildlife. The Bale Mountains tree frog serves as an ambassador for the region's biodiversity. Living in high-altitude montane environments, the Bale Mountains tree frog has adapted to cooler temperatures and specific atmospheric conditions. Their color-changing abilities not only aid in camouflage, but are also a fascinating aspect of their behavior. Fun facts. The mating calls of male Bale Mountains tree frogs are not just a call for companionship, they often vary in pitch and rhythm, making them an interesting subject for bioacoustic studies. Different populations may exhibit varied coloration, which can result in different morphs being found in specific microhabitats. Frogs are often considered bioindicators due to their sensitivity to environmental changes. Their presence or absence can tell us a lot about the health of an ecosystem. Conservation stories, community involvement. Local conservation groups and community members often engage in initiatives to protect the Bale Mountains tree frog. Research expeditions. Scientists and researchers frequently visit the Bale Mountains for ecological studies, offering unique opportunities for adventure and discovery. Wildlife watching. The Bale Mountains National Park is gaining recognition as an ecotourism destination, where visitors can engage in wildlife watching, including spotting the elusive Bale Mountains tree frog. Conclusion: the Bale Mountains tree frog is much more than just a fascinating amphibian. It represents the intricate tapestry of life in the Ethiopian highlands, a testament to evolution's creativity, and a rallying point for conservation and environmental stewardship in a world facing rapid change. Amphibians, like our elusive frog, play a critical role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. These remarkable creatures act as both predator and prey, forming a crucial link in the food web. They help to control insect populations, reducing the spread of diseases such as malaria. Their permeable skin makes them excellent bioindicators, providing early warnings of environmental changes and pollution. Amphibians also contribute to nutrient cycling, aiding in the decomposition process and enriching the soil. Without them, ecosystems would struggle to function as efficiently, leading to cascading effects on biodiversity and human health. The survival of our frog is not just about preserving a single species, it's about maintaining the delicate equilibrium of the natural world. The Bale Mountains tree frog exhibits a range of fascinating behaviors that set it apart from other amphibians. One of the most intriguing is its ability to remain motionless for extended periods, a strategy that helps it avoid detection by predators. This frog is also known for its unique basking behavior. It often positions itself to catch the first rays of morning sunlight, which helps to regulate its body temperature in the cool mountain climate. Additionally, the Bale Mountains tree frog has a remarkable method of communication. Unlike many frogs that rely solely on vocalizations, this species also uses subtle body movements to signal to potential mates and rivals. These gestures can include leg stretching and gentle head bobbing, creating a silent yet expressive form of interaction. Another captivating behavior is their ability to form temporary shelters using leaves and small twigs. By manipulating their environment, these frogs create microhabitats that provide protection from harsh weather and potential predators. This behavior showcases their resourcefulness and adaptability, which are key to their survival in the ever-changing mountain ecosystem. Understanding these unique behaviors not only deepens our appreciation for the Bale Mountains tree frog, but also highlights the intricate ways in which life adapts to thrive in diverse environments. Studying the Bale Mountains tree frog is not without its challenges. Researchers often face harsh and unpredictable weather conditions in the high-altitude environment of the Bale Mountains. The cold temperatures, frequent rain and fog can make fieldwork difficult and sometimes dangerous. Furthermore, the frog's elusive nature and excellent camouflage skills add another layer of complexity to their studies. Researchers must also navigate the rugged terrain, which can be physically demanding and time-consuming. The remote location of the frog's habitat means that access to basic necessities and communication can be limited. This isolation requires meticulous planning and preparation to ensure the safety and success of research expeditions. In addition to environmental hurdles, researchers often grapple with limited funding and resources. Conducting long-term studies in such challenging conditions requires substantial financial support, which is not always readily available. Despite these obstacles, dedicated scientists continue their efforts driven by a passion for understanding and conserving this unique species. Their perseverance and resilience are crucial for gathering the data needed to inform conservation strategies. By overcoming these challenges, researchers contribute invaluable knowledge that helps protect the Bale Mountains tree frog and its fragile ecosystem for future generations. Gap 1S. While researchers play a crucial role in studying and conserving the Bale Mountains tree frog, the involvement of local communities is equally vital. These communities, who have lived in harmony with the Bale Mountains for generations, possess invaluable knowledge about the local ecosystem. Their traditional practices and cultural ties to the land offer unique insights and sustainable approaches to conservation. Gap 2S. Local residents often participate in citizen science programs, assisting researchers in data collection and monitoring of frog populations. Their familiarity with the terrain and keen observational skills can lead to significant discoveries that might otherwise go unnoticed. Community-based conservation initiatives also focus on education and awareness, empowering locals to take active roles in protecting the frog's habitat. Gap 2S. Additionally, ecotourism projects spearheaded by local communities provide economic incentives to preserve the natural environment. By showcasing the Bale Mountains' rich biodiversity, including the elusive tree frog, these initiatives foster a sense of pride and responsibility towards conservation efforts. Revenue generated from ecotourism is often reinvested into local infrastructure, education and conservation projects, creating a sustainable cycle of growth and preservation. Gap 2S. Collaborative efforts between researchers, conservation organizations and local communities have proven effective in addressing threats such as habitat destruction and climate change. By working together, they develop and implement strategies that balance ecological preservation with the needs and livelihoods of the people living in the region. Gap 2S. The participation of local communities is not just beneficial but essential for the long-term success of conservation efforts. Their deep-rooted connection to the land and commitment to preserving its natural wonders ensure that the Bale Mountains tree frog and its habitat can thrive for generations to come. Gap 3S. In acknowledging the indispensable role of local communities, we recognize that true conservation is a collaborative endeavor that transcends boundaries and unites people in the shared goal of protecting our planet's precious biodiversity. Gap 2S. As we journey through the incredible story of the Bale Mountains tree frog, we've uncovered its unique adaptations, ecological importance, and the critical role it plays in its habitat. Gap 2S, we've learned about its fascinating behaviors, the challenges it faces, and the tireless efforts of researchers and local communities working to ensure its survival. Gap 2S. This remarkable species, a symbol of biodiversity and a testament to evolution, serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance within our ecosystems. Gap 2S. Its survival is intricately linked to the health of the Bale Mountains and, by extension, our planet. Gap 2S. The threats to the Bale Mountains tree frog are real and pressing, but so too are the solutions. Gap 2S. Conservation efforts driven by scientific research and community involvement are making strides in protecting this species and its habitat. Gap 2S. However, the journey is far from over. Gap 2S. Every individual has a role to play in this collective mission. Gap 2S. By supporting conservation initiatives, raising awareness, and advocating for sustainable practices, we can contribute to the preservation of this extraordinary frog and the myriad of life forms that share its home. Gap 2S. Let the story of the Bale Mountains tree frog inspire us to take action, to cherish and protect the natural world, and to ensure that future generations inherit a planet rich in biodiversity and natural beauty. Gap 2S. Together we can make a difference. Gap 2S. Join us in this call to action and be a part of the solution for a thriving, resilient planet. Emphasizing its ecological, cultural and conservation significance helps to create a compelling narrative that can inspire enthusiasm and action for preserving this remarkable species and its habitat. Please like, subscribe and share this video to support our conservation efforts and stay updated with our latest content.